It's now money because you ain't going live on YouTube. I'm not quite sure how I come upon these themes, but for some reason, somehow, some way, I always end up finding out about new tools or new additions to platforms and things to that effect. And I said I'm going to start to share those with you all whenever I find out something new. What's up? My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks Digital, your unofficial digital media strategist. You come to me for all things digital. Now, YouTube now has a way in which you can actually get paid for YouTube stickers. I think this is actually a competition thing that they're doing with TikTok. You know how you can do those little stickers on TikTok and you can send folks like a penny, 2 pennies. That's what on YouTube, you can actually make anywhere from like $2 on up to, hold on, let me show you guys what this looks like. Now, let me just preface this with, I don't know what the heck these people are doing on these lives. You can tell from this feed. I don't go on lives very much, but on these lives, let's find one that we feel like, let's find one that I actually can click on, because I ain't clicking on nothing crazy, because you know what happens to the algorithm. After you click on something crazy, all of a sudden you just see craziness all over your feed. And I don't want that, okay? So let's keep scrolling. Let's keep scrolling. Let's keep scrolling. Let's keep going. Okay, here. All right, let's go ahead and click on this one. This one seems like a safe bet. Like I won't click on something and see something I don't want to see, because I don't want to see them crazy. All right, so now let's click on this. Now, once we get into this video, you can see that the video's live. But if we go ahead and we click on the little icon here, we can actually, little $ icon, we can see that there's actually live chat, there's, or not live chat, super chats, and then we also have stickers. Now, when we click on stickers, we can take a look at some of these cool little icons, right? They got the cute little icons. You can click on them. They're ranging from anywhere from $2 on up to $50, and people can send you these different stickers. This is a lot different than TikTok, because on TikTok, you know, you're only getting like a penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies every time somebody sends you something. Now, if I were telling you how to monetize your account, if I were your digital media strategist, this is exactly what I would be saying to you.